It's a dark, foggy night in Providence. In the gloom, United 1448, a Boeing 757 has just landed on runway 5 right. Behind it, two other aircraft, a FedEx 727 and a US Air 737, are waiting to take off from the same runway. Because of the low visibility, the tower controller is relying on the pilots to report their positions on the airport.
United 1448, what's your position?
And we're clear of the runway on November by Bravo, United 1448.
United 1448, thank you. Taxi to the ramp. Your taxi is November and Tango, report crossing runway 16.
Okay, November, Tango will report crossing 16 on the 1448.
But the crew of United 1448 makes a mistake. Instead of continuing on November, they turn left onto taxiway Bravo and head back toward the runway they just landed on. The controller has no way of knowing this, however, and continues to clear aircraft for takeoff.
Ground answer 2998 is hold short behind FedEx.
Answer 2998, thank you. FedEx 1662, runway 5 right, fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 5 right, FedEx 1662.
Starting to sense that something isn't right, United 1448 asks the controller to verify that they're cleared to cross the runway intersection ahead of them. Assuming that the aircraft is where it's supposed to be, the controller says yes, inadvertently steering it toward an active runway.
Now 1448 is on November by the runways here. We don't see the, we're clear across straight ahead on November.
United 1448, affirmative, cross runway 16, join taxiway November, Tango on the other side.
Tango on the other side, United 1448.
The United crew taxis onto runway 16 and is about to enter its intersection with runway 23 left when they get a sudden surprise.
And United 1448, we're approaching Kilo here. Somebody just took off.
United 1448, you shouldn't be anywhere near Kilo. Hold your position, please. Just stop.
Tower, this is United 1448. We are currently on a runway. I'm looking out to the right with a Kilo. We need to go on to the Kilo taxiway.
United 1448, you were supposed to taxi November in Tango. I need to know what runway you're on. I can't see anything from the tower.
The United pilots think they're at the intersection of runways 16 and 23 right, when in fact they're at the intersection of runways 16 and 23 left. Still believing the aircraft to be safely away from the active runway, the controller continues to clear aircraft for takeoff.
Ma'am, we are on 23 right intersection of 16, and we did not connect on November. We are by Kilo to our right, and we just overshot Kilo. We did not see it. Runway on 23 left here.
United, standby, please. Yes, sir, 2998, runway 5 right, fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Ma'am, I'm trying to advise you we're on an active runway, United 1448.
23 right is not an active runway. It's a taxiway when we're IFR or in the dark. Yes, sir, 2998, runway 5 right, fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Listening to the confusion on the radio, US Air 2998 senses that something is wrong. Despite having been cleared for takeoff twice, its crew chooses to hold their position.
Tower user 2998, so we figure out what's going on down there. We're just going to stay clear of all runways.
Yes, sir, 2998, roger. Hold short of runway 5 right. It's not anywhere near the runway, but you can hold short.
Okay.
It was a wise choice. By paying attention to the big picture and staying put until the confusion was resolved, the crew of US Air 2998 prevented a second incident, one that could easily have had disastrous consequences.